Today's lesson is very easy, and most of you are quite familiar with these words, but they're very important. The words are inside and outside, and these are position words. Position words are very important for us to know in math because a lot of times we need to know where something goes. And it makes a big difference if you put something inside that's only supposed to be outside. Especially when you're thinking of a math equation. So these words, even though they're simple, are very important position words, okay? So we're going to look at this page. You need to get out your math page, and you're going to need a pencil today, and we're going to be working on pages 11 and 12. So it says, what goes inside? Draw lines. So the items that go in this bin, we're going to draw a line from the item to the bin. All right, so this is pretty easy, and you should be able to do this, but I would like you to do it with me. How about a goldfish? Do you think a goldfish would be a good thing to store in this plastic bin? Well, probably not. So we're not going to put him in the bin. How about a plastic dinosaur? Well, yes, I think he should go in here. He's a toy, and I'm picking up my toys. I'm going to put him in the bin. How about a tree or a little plant? Should I put this in the bin? No, most likely not. How about a doll? Should a doll go in the bin? Yes, the doll should go in the bin. The teddy bear. The teddy bear should also be put away in the bin. How about the big Duplo blocks? Yes, the Duplo blocks should go in the bin. How about a chair? Should the chair go in the bin? No, the chair should not go in the bin. How about a ball? Yes, a ball should also go in the bin. All these items, the dinosaur, the doll, the bear, the blocks, and the ball, all go in the bin. And if you look at these items, you noticed that all 5 are toys. And so these things get put away inside the bin. The other items remain outside. All right, let's flip our page and let's continue practicing inside and outside. So for this activity, we need to circle the item that is either inside or outside. Put your pencil on the red star, and in this, we need to figure out which coins are inside. So if we look at this boy, he has a couple of coins in his hand, and then if you look there at the jar, it looks like there's a bunch of coins that are inside the jar. These in his hand are outside. I need to circle the ones inside. Draw a circle around those coins inside. Let's look at the green star. This time they want us to circle the pencils that are outside the cup. So these pencils here, are they outside the cup? No, it's these pencils here that are outside. Circle the pencils outside the cup. Next, I have a butterfly, one here and one here. They want me to circle the butterfly that is inside the jar. This butterfly is inside. And for the last one, I need to circle the child that is outside. So this one's a little bit trickier and it can be confusing, but if you notice, this little girl is sitting on what appears to be a bench, or maybe she's on her bed. And then there's a window here, and we see this boy is outside the window. We see the trees out there, so we know he's out there, and she is inside, so I need to circle the boy. Okay, complete your page and put your supplies away and return your math page to your black folder. Good work.